This is the day digested.
A lot of people have been asking for a feet loaf recipe. Yeah, I'm giving the dogs out for free. I'm a man of the people, a man of the people, if you will. Listen, if you're gonna come to me talking about loafers, you better be talking about meat loafers. Cause that's what's going on right here. We got feet loaf meatloaf. Perfectly seasoned feet meat, just the way I like them. And you don't have to do feet loaf, you could do a feet ball, dude. A little marinara and mozzarella on there. Listen, I ain't one to suck toes unless they're 80-20 and smother with a little bit of ketchup. And don't frickin' tempt me, I might sit on one of these molds and do an ass loaf next.
Let's cook an isopod. Some pretty insane pinchers. I gotta be careful that it doesn't accidentally bite me. We only need a few inches of water. We've got a very aggressive boil going. I'm starting to see that this thing doesn't fit. Ironic that the way that it protects itself is actually its demise today. Ow, ow. Okay, well, he's definitely in there. It only needs to boil for like 5 minutes. Moment of truth, let's see how it came out. I was really expecting it to change colors. That thing is so freaking hot. I do notice that its belly is no longer brown. It was brown before. Also, all of these things are like completely blown up right now. It smells terrible. It smells awful, guys. Bro, this is disgusting. Oh. This is what the inside of it looks like, and apparently I'm just supposed to eat it with a spoon. Ugh. Oh, wait. It smells a lot like a lobster, actually. All right, maybe there's hope. I'm seeing a lot of different body parts in here. I really don't know, like, what the hell I'm supposed to eat. This looks like the eggs of the thing. Maybe it was pregnant. Here we go, first bite of an isopod. That is
Come on, over here. Come over here and I'll help you. Yeah? Do you want a hand? Yeah. Come on. Come on. Oh, goodness me. Well, that wasn't real smart, was it?
Hanno atteso l'uscita del personale di sala per una foto ad effetto e poi via, incuranti dell'accaduto.
And this isn't even the worst of it. Look at them.
I can go to the car. I do have a tent, and I've got my
You got this. You got this.
Open up the door, can you? I know this is
God! We're in a tornado! We're literally in a fucking tornado, dude. Look at the trees, dude. Oh fuck, dude, it just crushed the crane truck. Oh my fucking God. Dude.
Well, I lay down like
Zach and I saw that motherfucker starting. Dude, this whole place is fucked. It might flip the truck. Oh, fuck!
lay down, bro.
Holy fuck.
That's why I got out the machine.
Your machine's fucked.
See?
Holy shit. Dude, we were literally just fucking saying it's rotating.
Oh, fuck that.
Holy fuck, dude.
It's about creating a frozen moment. I was walking by the river, seeing these rocks poking their heads above the waterline. I wanted to freeze that moment somehow, so I chose glass as the medium. We rest the flat sheet on the pinnacle of the rock, and as we heat it, the glass softens and moves. And when I see it, we hit the switch, it cools down, and we create that frozen moment. It was uplifting because it brought me back. It looks like water because of the texture of the rock and the way the glass has gently dropped into the pockets and the angles and the curves of that natural form. The way the light reflects off the water is similar to how the light is reacting with the glass. And this inspired other slum pieces as I walked. I saw other materials, natural materials that I could work with.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.